Today I'm going to show you how to find boost leaks in your car with the simple method of soap and water. Just put some soap in your spray bottle. Shake it up. And this is an easy way to find exhaust leaks too, but you want to keep your car on a cold start because you don't want to spray cold water on a hot exhaust. It'll just evaporate and it's pretty much pointless. So next I'm going to turn my car on and I'll show you how to do this. Now that you got your car turned on, I'll show you how to, you want to start with an exhaust side. So just start spraying down there. As you see, it's starting to get a little suddy, but no bubbles. Now you just want to spray any hoses anywhere you think that there might be a leak. Couplers, after the turbo. You can probably do it before the turbo, but that's going to be on vacuum. And just rev your car up, and if you see any bubbles, on the exhaust, it's still foamy but no bubbles, so it looks like that's okay. What I'm going to do next is just replace my gaskets.
I'm trying to help. Flash that buttery gold, jittery zeitgeist withered by the watering hole. Water patrol, water we the heart, how could be yark buckery suddenly? Not enough young and as long for the water wing. Colorfully vulgar poacher at a mulch like I'm a put a pulse at a soldier and bolt. Sign of the time we elapse when a primate climb up a spine and attach.
Okay, we just drove about 100 miles down to here at Casa Grande, and let's just see if it keeps the boost in. No bubbles, it's all good. Now just remember, you can use this for your exhaust and boost leaks after the turbo, so just a good cheap way to do it. Thanks for watching, subscribe.